if there is anything wrong with the car. It helps us clean it up quicker, but it helps us get to you quicker also to make sure that you're okay, because your safety is always number one concern. And trust me, one, you don't want to be known as a guy who puts oil down the entire quarter mile, and two, you also don't want something to happen to your race car. I can't tell you the amount of times that I've seen the bottom end blow out of a motor, and then you get all that oil and all that transmission fluid and all that extra crap that's under, you know, on the rear tires. And when you're doing 120 miles an hour, it takes a lot of talent to save that. And some of us, we like to admit we have more talent than what we think, but in some cases you kind of run out of that talent. So let's just play it safe, blow it up the sides as quickly as you can, and safely as you can also. Again, your safety is always number one concern here.
Yeah, you hate when you have an oil pan failure. That's what we like to call when you scatter lunches, the oil pan failure.
Well, that's what we say on the mic. We know you drivers say other things with it, but you know, but bad day at the track is still a better day.